The West Point Swarm Project is a multi-year research project that first came to West Point in academic year 2017 through a partnership with the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, who brought a project here for cadets to engage on multi-UAV autonomous swarm behaviors for various tactical mission sets. This coming year, in academic year 21, we're very excited to be partnering with two new agencies. The first is the Joint Program Executive Office for Chemical, Biological, Radiological, and Nuclear Defense, as well as Army Futures Command's CCDC Chemical Biological Center.
The sponsor that we are working with for this capstone is the CCDC Chem Bio Center, which regularly uses drones to try and map out chemical plumes in areas. And for this project, we're trying to focus on being able to create a swarm of drones that can autonomously map out this behavior. And so being able to work with them, get their feedback and advice on the things we've done in the past that can apply to our project now has been really beneficial, because it really allows us to be able to see the professionals and with their advice and being able to really learn and gather new information and understanding.
Being part of the USMA Swarm team is really a rewarding opportunity because it allows the fusion of a lot of technologies on a UAS platform and bringing in multiple disciplines into the project.
This is an awesome project because it allows me to get hands-on with cutting-edge technology that I wouldn't have access to at almost any other university. And that technology also allows me to work with multidisciplinary teams. We have cadets from the systems department here on the team, along with an advisor from the systems department and other advisors from computer science and chemistry and life science departments.
This semester, I had the opportunity to work on a team with 8 other cadets, all from the mechanical engineering departments and the systems engineering departments, to be able to create a swarming algorithm to map out a chemical plume. These first 6 weeks have been great to be able to work together as a team, working with a sponsor to tackle a problem that we've never faced before, and being able to really apply the skills that we've learned from the past 3 years has been a wonderful opportunity so far.
But all in all, it's a great opportunity to bring together a team, allow the cadets to engage on some technical aspects of the problem, some leadership aspects of leading a large, diverse team, and even logistical administrative aspects of the problem as they will eventually deploy with this swarm to an off-site location where we will actually release chemical agents or simulants for the team to go detect and locate. So it's a really relevant project for cadets as they focus on joining the Army upon graduation as junior officers and ultimately be involved in a fight where they could use equipment like this someday in the future.